welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Uthando Nesithembu. uMakhumalo ibize-ke meeting bahlangane eMzumbe. All the wives were there. Bekuyishodela nje number 5. Bezodiscussa i-health kaMthombeni now that is back home. I-diet yakhe and my meals akumele awadle and all that. And then asho futhi uMakhumalo ukuthi he's now over emotional. Athi uShibase nje hayi wevele etetema uMthembeni usuthole opportunity because nakhe egula. And then aphinda athi uShibase uyeza uMthombeni ugulisa ngento yakhe. Ugulisa lokuthi ebhizi ethi ufuna unkosikazi omncane, uMacele uzomfundisa ukupheka, uThobile nje uzolilizela. Naku manje into yakhe seyamgulisa. Ahleke uMbali athi hey into yakhe vele amnyusela i-BP. Bayihlekele vele. And then uMayeni abuza-ke kuMakhumalo ukuthi hawu so nawe bowungazi ukuthi number 5 solotsholiwe asithobile bengazi athi so nawe ukufihlela athi angifihlelanga, he did his things and then he revealed when he was ready. And then athi hawu usho vele ushosho bowungazi because Umayeni does not believe ukuthi uMakhumalo didn't know. Athi uMakhumalo didn't know, ngimbone nje nawo ku-TV the time besibhekile sonke. And then it seems like uMayeni came with all the files athi ababheka i-status sikaMseleku bathi babheka bathola ukuthi uMseleku posted something about selfish people don't really care about you, blah blah. And then athi I heard this from Mamkhulu. How? I got this from Mamkhulu. How? Njani? Athi uMamkhulu uyachaza athi Mayeni, please don't explain. Athi uyachaza ubakhombisa some conversations he had with uMseleku. Athi no, don't explain. Don't even feel offended. Ngiyisholo nje. And then echubeke ekhulunywa number 5 athi ubeka izwi opinion yakhe naye uMangwabe athi bekumele consider my feelings are everyone. Athi Macele akathule nje uMbali ukhuluma ngama feelings are everyone kanjani because naye she came and found wives la kwaMseleku. Yena when she came she didn't consider anyone's feelings, manje nje akathule. And then ke uThobile naye uMakhumalo alethe indaba yokuthi uMacele took samke uMakhwela to hospital to see uMseleku. Athi hey bejabulile uMseleku when he saw number 5 umfazi wakhe. Athi vele angayi-entertain uMacele enze ngathi nje akayizwanga. And then kukhulunywe then babone ukuthi hayi izinto sezizoshuba la bathi hey asiqedeni meeting, we'll continue some other time. And then Thobile meets with her sisters for a chat and catch up. And then Thobile tells them ukuthi hawu phela number 5 is from our neighborhood. I'm sure nje ngene no-aunty wakhe. And then asisifakhe bathi hey ugirl usho ukuthi she saw everything, she saw the life of wathi niyazi nami ngiyangena la ngiyayifuna lempilo uyohalele from outside. And then uShibase, it seems like uMayeni is now back home. Abize ezeke uMseleku wakhe abize noMpumelelo. They sat down to discuss something that she wanted to discuss with them. Uthi the time when she met with Macele, she didn't like something that Macele said. uMacele was not happy that uMseleku had said that uMpumelelo must renovate the leyandlo leyasemzumbe. And then so Macele felt like if uMseleku gets uMpumelelo renovated, means that it's now Mpumelelo's house and no longer a family house. So this means that now she must go and get isite yakhe nayo ezayakhela ingane zakhe because now it means asanamuzi. Athi uMayeni uyayibona lento kuseyaphi Mseleku, you need to fix it. Athi Mseleku how? Phela no one takes care of that house. And I said Mpumelelo must do it. And then Mpumelelo can't renovate the house and then have someone else live there. I wanted Mpumelelo to fix that house and then have one wife here ahlale la kwakho kwaMayeni and then the other one uzohlala le kulendlu. And then uMayeni athi no, fix it. Athi Mpumelelo nje yena yekaza phawule ngalokukhulunywayo because if he does ungabhidliza umuzi. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.